You have taken off on me 3 different times, Mr. Osborn. If you think that we are going to give you a PR bond, you are charged with assault, bodily injury. You're facing a year in jail. You had an offer in this case where they were going to dismiss this case, and you have repeatedly taken off, not once, not twice, but thrice. I am not going to give you a PR bond, and we are taking you into custody now. Your bond is now set at $10,003 because of all the times that you have taken off. And I get that you're in high school, but the problem is that you have already taken off 3 times. If I let you go now, what does that tell you? It tells you that it's okay for you to do what you're doing and not to hold you accountable. And that's not what we do here. You need to understand that courts are here for a reason. We do court orders for a reason. And when you fail to comply, when you fail to show, there are real world consequences. And I don't know if you have anyone that's going to bond you out. If not, you will be stuck like Chuck with me until this thing is over with. And I'm going to tell you now, I'm not into this pleading guilty, time served just to get out, just to ruin your life. I'm not going to let you do that.
We accepted the PTI. The state said they would still accept the PTI.
I get it, but I'm not letting him out. I mean, it's 3 times the case. How old is this case? It's a year old, and
You said you're buying at 10,000, so it's 1,000 more than fine.
well, I don't know, because whatever they're going to charge you, I don't know. You're a flight risk. They may charge you more.
Can I ask a question?
Sure.
I don't recall leaving 3 times.
You have a criminal case. You know that you are supposed to keep up with it. There's no out of sight, out of mind. You should have enough wherewithal to say, you know what? I haven't had court.
Oh, you don't do it to yourself, so this ain't the place where you ask questions. Okay. All right.
You should have enough wherewithal to know, you know what? I have court and I haven't heard in a long time. What's going on? The only reason you are here now is because what happened?
Bonding company's attempting to get the case reinstated and or a new bond set for them. That's it. We wanted to let the court know it was our fault for not notifying him of
I'm
the
not
May
going to
setting.
all of the sword. It's not your
I do understand. Yes.
You know, if it was one time, okay, but we have 3 different times. It's unacceptable. Okay,
If I may.
sure.
He did miss court 3 times, but he missed the first one because I couldn't reach him because the phone number I had was disconnected. I reset it 2 more times to try to get in contact with him. So he didn't purposely miss 3 court dates just because I couldn't, the phone number I had for him.
He knows he has court, Mr. Schofield.
I understand.
You know, behavior has consequences. And now you're going to see that there are serious consequences to it. He goes with you. I'm not out for blood. But I want him to understand that we mean business. If he is unable to make a bond by tomorrow, then we can talk. And I'm happy to entertain perhaps something tomorrow. I get it that he's in high school, but I want him to understand that we mean business. And if I just let him go now, it's enabling him. And it's not a good thing. But I'm happy perhaps tomorrow, if he's unable to make bond, we can talk about a PR bond tomorrow.
Should we just set it for review for
He's
tomorrow?
going to come back tomorrow regardless because they'll auto-populate.
Okay.
Because that's what happens when we take someone into custody, they auto-populate for the next day. So we can talk about it tomorrow about, because I'm not going to let him plead guilty just to get out and just to get a conviction on his record. And I'm happy to do this, but I want him to understand that we mean business and we're not playing games. So if he's still here tomorrow, we can talk about doing a PR bond and we'll let him try that. But I'm going to tell you now, he gets an ankle monitor, curfew, and I'm going to drug test him. And I'm going to be his dad. That's it. Okay. All right.
Thank you.
What are you doing with yourself these days?
Looking for a job, but they don't want to hire me, but not really.
Tell me, what is the last time what have you done to look for a job?
What have I done?
Yes.
I went to the internet. I told my sister to go through the stuff. They want to hire pipe fitters.
Why you tell your sister to do it?
But I'm really not good at that.
I don't think he really understands.
You need to learn how to use a computer.
They told me, and then I went to a friend of mine. Well, she's not really my friend, but she told me she's gonna try to help me out. So then we tell my life is wrong. We stop.
Go there and ask them for an application and apply. Why haven't you done that? We've set this case off for 3 different times now. What have you been doing with yourself all day, every day? If I drug test you now What's gonna show up?
I came out clean already, sir.
I'm sending you right now. You've got me concerned the way you're acting right now, Mr. Galindo. I'm sending you for a drug test. You must come right back. If you fail to go take a drug test, you take off from me. I'm gonna make your bond extremely high. Do you understand? Take a seat.